Philippines, make some noise! It's your host, Enigma. Welcome back to Flip Top. Everyone make some noise.
It's Dirtbag Dan, Clout Magazine, Breezy Excursion, I See You, DBD Mixtape. Download that bitch. Let's go!
So how the fuck can this disgruntled Ghibli stunt double tell any of us about how he's dirt? You might be a dirt bag in the first world land, especially when your Stern fans have seen Sterns, but when you fly down here, you're a clean purse. Yeah. And still faker than the ones from Green Hills.
Plus I got that pop jab and I throw that hook right. You should have seen him on Skype with that shook face when I told him I needed a blood test 2 hours before the battle took place. He thought I was gonna puss out like Mayweather. Why? When it comes to this rap shit, I'm way better. This battle rap fanboy would pay cheddar to have his braids tethered to look like suede severs. Plus, how you think he makes cheddar? He takes pleasure measuring dick, and he don't use a tape measure when measuring shit. He can tell the shape better just by pleasuring it.
Fuck that, despite all our cultures, guts and bruises, the country proves hospitable, and I'm no Uncle Scrooge, but I'll be a hungry Jew before you, or Lucky Louche, or ever let running loose, hunting cooch. Never a sucker for subterfuge, no matter what you do, I will not approve. Yo, what, you think we're clueless? You must be downright deluded into thinking that beard would fool us into forgetting your rape case in Subic.
So I guess the only question is, which gay clothing store did you and your homies rob? Ong bak looking motherfucker. Need to get a Tony job. Before you start throwing them knees and rocking them bows, one punchline I drop will be stopping the show. Oh, and my Filipino homies back home told me to tell you, Buntag in
Not be nationalistic, the manhandle his bitch tits. But I am Pinoy, so I know you managed to diss this. But you really think you can insult Filipinos in your verses when anyone you love or know that's terminally hurting is serviced by at least one of our nurses?
This motherfucker's got like 15 jobs. Plus he's going to school to be a Tai Chi master. During the day, he drives a cab, and at night he's a private dancer. He works at Teleperformance, listening to Americans complain about their cell phones giving them cancer. And whether a man or woman answers the phone, he says, "Hello, ma'am, sir."
And you can spin, correctly guessing, he's a Christian, he's a Christian, he's a Christian. But fuck it, you can have all my fans, especially the Catholic brand who will still see who's winning. Muslims, you won't be spared, because even to them, you're still the equivalent of a soon-to-be sacked heathen village because of medieval visions. All the homies who truly know me keep on thinking, will Enigma be this trick with his thesis, giving his opponent as only the deeds his resemblance to Eric's Jesus' best friend? Well,
fuck, man. Alright. Crazy battle, man. Shout outs to Grind Time. This is Flip Top, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Bihisa ka man ng magarang damit, wala ring halaga kung ang dila ay pilipit. Marami naghamon, lahat ay aking sinagot. Eto lang si Agra, mukhang betlog na kulubot. Hoy, support! Hindi ako takot, kahit ang tinira mo ay first class na utot. Oo, maitim, wala akong planong pumuti. Si Agra, nakita ko, nakaupo kapag umihi. Meron akong bugtong. Ano ang kulay bagoong na nakasuot ng buruntong at sa sobrang hirap walang ibang makain kundi konting galunggong. Sirit ka na ba, Chong? Oops, meron pa palang katugtong alias taong tutong na nang Google Pay ng kalabaw kung tinatamaan ng sumpong. Bibigyan kita ng clue. Alam mo na ba ang sagot? Bibigyan kita ng clue kahit kakaunti. Kailangan niya ng palamuti at kamukhang kamukha niya si Koke na may ngiping nakausli. salita ko makadikit. Nagpiling matalino ang bobong tampalasan. Bibiyakin kita sa puwet, basta kaya mo akong bayaran. Kakatayin ko yung tinsong mo para hindi ka magalit. Masarap masakit pag tinira mo sa puwet. Huwag ka lang pipikit at lalong sasakit.
Speaking Tagalog to render you speechless. I'm prepared to unleash this metaphysical monster in me to rip you apart and tear you to pieces. And I don't even have to get physical, like I'm dismantling you with telekinesis. I'm an arrogant beast and this faggot is weak. So logically it equates to me saying, I'm the veteran here, bitch.
Yo, kailangan na subtitle. Pero syempre, wala ka naman naintindihan doon. Lalaga ka na.
Brutal na pambebenga. Babae ko si Delo, sapat nga lang nireregla. Yung sa flip top, buti na lang ikaw dumalo. Pag niregla ako sa puwet, bibig mo iyong pansalo. Nung nakita kita kanina, parang gusto kong simipol. Ganyan pa lang itsura pag nagdabet na si Smigol. Kanina ko pa gustong sabihin, di ko matiis. Ang cute ng tigyawad mo, pwede patiris. Sa kapal ng nguso mo, mukha ka janitor fish. Pero wala ka sa aquarium. At hindi to espolarium. Tapos kawing mo rin yung alien na andun sa planetarium. At yung sinabi mong makapal ng nguso, aking babalikan. Pare, itong ngusong to, maraming humahalik dyan. Interview kung ilan ang mga nalalaman mong lingwahe. Concern lang ako kasi baka pagkakaintindi mo sa battle ay bote. Kung sa bagay pwede naman kasi palagi kang basag. Isa kang endangered species. Alam mo kung bakit may utong ka sa bayag. Matapos kitang lunurin sa duelong malagrive time. Lakat ng mga kasama mong dun galing re-respeto na sa blind drive.
Mabilis ka palang mag-rap. Ako'y nabigla. Ganito palang reaksyon ng mukha. Ang sinaunang mukha. Tao ka pala dati. Kala ko kanibal ka. Nanggaling ka sa kunan kasi puro angal ka. Puro atungal ka. Akala mo kasi ikaw na pinakamatulin. Yung katabi mo sa sobrang bilis mo na duling.
Alam mo, itong ilong ko, mas malakas pa to sa shotgun na 00. Kasi lagyan ko lang ng cornic yan, isip ko sa'yo, sabog na ang iyong ulo.
Wala akong masabi kasi yung umarte. Boxing ako, yung aral mo karate. Yung ilong mo ang dami, nakakamanga. Sa tibay ng ilong mo, pwedeng patungan ng bangka.
Ang kamalasan dala ng pagmumukha mo ay mas matindi pa sa puwet na may balat. Ang tawag sa mukha mo ay fruity, kasi fruity gyawat.
Pulubi ka lang dati. Nung pinulot ka ni Gab. Tangina, nagpo-computer ka, hindi mo alam yung tab.
Sa mga pinaggagawa mo, akala mo ikaw ay uubra. Bastos yung mukha mo. Puro utong, lagyan mo naman ng bra. Huwag kang sisigaw at please lang, huwag kang lalapit sa akin. Alam mo kung bakit? Yung hininga mo naghahadukin. Pag nagbabasketball kayo sa mukha mo, dyan sila nagbo-boarding. May alam akong sikreto mo, yung titi mo nag-good morning.
Yo, si Jesus pala, may di natapos na assignment. Siya yun, tingnan yung mukha, wala pa sa alignment. Sino ba natutuwa? Pati na rin ako nagalit. Kasi pangit na pagkagawa, kulang pa sa talent. Sikat ka na ngayon, lalo na dun sa Manda. Pero dito sa Las Piñas, ikaw si Kung Fu Panda.
Tanginan, mukha yan, puro tigyawat, kala ko buni. Diyan ka magaling, manghingi ng punchline kay Looney. Napakaswerte mo, Wantamad, kapag ako kinaya mo. Idol mo siguro si J Skills. Kasi pati mukha niya, ginaya mo.
Welcome to Flip Top, like Jake, pero dito sunog ka. Kaya wala mo nang kokontra. Aba, siya iba, hindi na iba, marunong na pumarma. Dating nakahabana, mukhang hoodlum, may katernong JJ Cup. Laban laban sa banat kung pang YouTube habang sa'yo'y pang pedicab. Dahil pagpag ka lang, dahil pagpag ka lang at ako ang duging masarap. At kung bagasarap parang Looney versus Gap. Miyembro ng Republican, Nick D, feeling Batikan, na isa lamang batukan at mananalo lang naman kung ang laro ay batihan. Ang
Kung hininga ko ay amoy regla, ang nanay mo naman di ba ay puta. Sinabihan mo akong sinandoming, ikaw ngayon di ba rito may tuliling natatawa. At para bang ikay nababano, kasi naman ang ulo mo panipugo. Bumilip ka ngayon sa akin, pagkat ikaw ngayon dito may tulilik tuloy-tuloy. Ngayon dito ang flow, at kahit kailan hindi ma-overflow. Talagang ikaw ay mukhang tae, talagang ikaw ay mukhang tae. Lyrics ang binabanat mo. Talaga naman dito ikaw ay bobon, kasi mahilig kang kumain ng hito. May balbas pang uba kung bakit ganito ito. Tatawa pa talaga ang animal.